I'm actually the same guy from the first video who was trying to grow his hair out, you know, the one with the really dusty afro. That was me. I grew the curls as you guys see here, and I did that for a couple years, but then I just decided, you know, it's time to go back. Chop the hair off, and as you can see, I'm back going crazy with it, and it only took 3 weeks. First place I went to when I cut my hair off was I pulled up to my girlfriend's house. Cause I met her when I had really long hair, so when she saw it, it was jaw to the floor. You know this? I definitely pulled up to the store, had to get a do-rag. That is number one. Number one, you gotta get a do-rag, people, okay? Then you need a very reliable brush. Really, you need two. You need a hard bristle brush for if you're gonna be wolfing, but we'll get into that later. That's a little bit too advanced for what we're trying to do here today. So then you also need a soft bristle brush when you get your hair first cut. And I happen to have one on me right now. You know what I'm saying? Zoom in on that, let the people see it. Rich Royals, know your worth.
If you're tired of your wave pomade smelling like butt crack and earring backs, head over to richroyals.com. Cop the Royal Wave pomade infused with peppermint oil and, best of all, no petroleum, making it the healthiest wave pomade in the game. Use code SPINNERS for 10% off. The next 100 purchases come with the free Rich Royals curved bristle brush, made for your natural head shape and a more even brushing experience. Back to the video.
What you're gonna do when you start to brush your hair is you wanna think of your hair as a clock, okay? And the center of the clock is gonna be wherever the crown of your hair starts, okay? It doesn't matter if it's all the way over to the left or the right, my bad. If it's all the way over to the right or the left or in the direct center, you're gonna treat it as a clock, okay? Meaning you got 12, 1, 2, 3, you know, 3 all the way on the side right there, 4, 5, 6, then you got 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, and then 12 until you come all the way back full center. Oh, all right, so yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get up in the morning for work. When I get out the shower, I'm gonna brush my hair, and I'm gonna throw in the goods, the Rich Royal products. Wave pomade and the Rich Royals hydration treatment. It's gonna hydrate your shit. It's going to hydrate your hair, and it's going to give you the optimal curl pattern so that when it comes time for your wave, you know what I'm saying, it'll be nice and shiny and soft to the touch. It's not gonna be rugged, you know, and you're not gonna, most importantly, you're not gonna have that greasy feel like you would using those other products, those other inferior products, just to keep it in band. Once I do that, I'll brush my hair, throw on my do-rag for at least 30 minutes. At least 30 to 45 minutes for sure, if you want optimal results. So after I do that, probably about midday, if you're at work, especially if you're in the office and you get the midday sleeps, listen, all right, you know how that be, man. You go to lunch, you eat something real good, and then you get the itis. So you know, you'll be at your desk, and instead of doing all that, you just take that brush out, you know, and now you about to one up your coworker, because when your boss come by after lunch, you up and you mad productive. So, moral of the story is, brush anytime you feel necessary. You know what I mean? Then I'm always brush at nighttime.